Subject Physical Education for class 11th, Unit 9, Psychology and Sports. In this unit, today we will focus on the difference between the growth and development. So, let us try to understand what is the difference between the growth and the development. In this part, we will try to discuss about some points which are very essential for the growth and the development. So at first we will take the growth. Growth means it is in any individual or in any human being, it is we have to see the growth directly, and growth is visible. Means the growth when in any individual or in any human being, the growth has started from the birth. So the improvement in the body muscles or in body size, that is visible, and that is we have to come in the direct. So growth we have to be see visibly, or we can see directly in a human body. Next one, the growth is one-sided. One-sided means when the growth has started in any individual or in any human being, it has started from the birth. So we have to see the growth is one-sided, means it is improvement or increasement in a body parts only or in body weight only. So it is, we have to say it is the one-sided growth. Next point has come in growth, it is up to the particular age. It means the growth has started from the birth of a child and it has continue to the some particular age of any individual. Means up to the particular age limit, the growth is possible. Where there is a development we have to see in any individual or in any human being, then there is a vast difference between the development than the growth. Development, where there is a growth is visible and direct growth has found in the individual. Where there is development is indirect and invisible. Means when the development has come in any individual or in any human being, then we have to see the development is not visible. Means as the development of body parts, there is not, we have to find out the development is visible, and it is, we can say, the direct development as a growth in development. Second one, it is a multifarious. Means where there is a growth is one-sided, where there is a development of the multifarious, means in every aspects of the human life, mental, social, emotional, any aspects of the life, the development is possible. That's why we have to say it is the multifarious development in human body. Next point is where there is a growth is up to the some particular age, where the development is possible or it has started from the birth to death. Means there is no any particular limit of the development in any human or in any individual, because the any human or in any individual they are able to learn anything from the birth to the death. So development has continuously carry on from the birth to the death. So on the behalf of these some points, we are able to understand, or we are trying to understand the difference between the growth and development. Thank you.